Bootcamp, week 2, lesson 4 of 4. We're going to be working on the VCE syllable. And this is Ms. Villasenor. Remember to be taking notes and any questions, ask your teacher for some coaching. You can also pause to catch up with your notes. Let's begin with tell what you know about the box spellings on these sound spelling cards. So take a moment to think about that. What do you know about these? And all these letters represent long vowel sounds when found in open syllables. Now we have this guided practice word here that we are going to do together and try to do 1 through 5, the guided practice. We're going to identify the talking vowels. And we notice a new pattern there. Then let's go to the next slide before we finish the other steps here. And as you can see, short vowels are found in closed syllables, as we had stated before. And they're found in closed syllables like grad, right? And then when you add the E at the end, that's a short, the grad is a short A. And then if you add that little one should go with the E, that makes the E silent, makes the A a long vowel. So then there would be grade. So when a word has an N, E at the end, the E is silent, but then there's magic. It leaps over a single consonant and makes that vowel say its long name. Okay. And so dictionaries use this macron diacritical mark being used. And that's where you see the acorn card when you see the A consonant and the E. So the E again gets silent to make the long A sound. Now the final vowel contains the consonant E. So this is where we have the VCE. So go ahead and write that on your notes as I'm talking. And it's our 5th syllable type. And sometimes it's called the magic syllable. Okay. The magic E syllable, because that E again, it's silent but makes the vowel a long vowel sound. Like in bride. So the example they're using for VCE is bride, which makes the I a long I sound. Okay, going back to the guided practice word. We already went through the talking vowels, the E and the U. Then we see the E at the end of the vowel consonant, and then you have the E, so that E makes the U the long U sound. Okay, so then that makes the long. So then we have the V, in this case, consonant, consonant, vowel, 2 vowel, talking vowel sounds, and then we split it there. And so when we pronounce it, the first talking vowel is a short vowel sound, so X. And then the second syllable has Q's. So we blend it together, excuse. Okay. So the school did not excuse Linda's tardiness based on the excuse she gave. And that's the end piece where you can't see. Again, the action verb is for excuse, and the excuse in here is like a thing. And then um we have here where um the action verb, like excuse, we have the S sound, which is kind of pronounced like the Z sound. And that's why we have the zebra card, which you could have the S sound. with an S spelling, the Z sound, sorry, with the S spelling, and then we have the S card as well for excuse. You hear that S sound. And then the K sound spelled with the C because it's followed by a U. So you see the excuse. So we have the cat, the C card, and the Z and the S card. Now go ahead and try these two words. You could pause the video to be able to split these into syllables. Okay, the first one should have been cut like that. Okay, the first E has a long E sound and the second one, or you could have flipped it, either one, as long as one of them had a short E and the other one had a long E sound. And so the first one, if it has a long E sound, it would be refuse. And the second one would be split to make it a short sound, refuse. And so the example here using these two words would be, the city dump was so full it had to refuse to accept more refuse. You have the action verb here, and the first one refuse, and the second one was a thing. And again, we have the S card and the Z card for the word oos to make the Z sound. And you see the SE on the end of the Z and the S card. Try these two words here. Okay, this is how you should split these two. Okay, so the first one has the short I, the second one as well. So for the first one would be invite. So my aunt mailed an invite to invite you to my parents' anniversary party. So that and the E at the end of the syllable makes that I, the long I. Invite is a thing. Okay, so again, tell what you know about the box spellings on these sound spelling cards. These are long vowel sounds that if we add a vowel consonant E, the E is silent and it leaps over a single consonant to make the vowel say its letter name, which is a long vowel sound. And here's some words that you could practice, and you could check with the partner to see if you're correct, and you could check with your teacher. Thank you. Have a good day.